Hey there, Jerry Hawk 250 here. A little update upon my Honda ST1300. As you remembered, I had a problem with windshield last time. I got the new motor drive on Friday, installed it, and also had got my tail box. Got it installed. This is nice and big. I put my helmet, jacket, everything in here. Also, I had fixed my display. As you can see, it's nice and clear now. And here's a before picture. So let's crank it up. And windshield goes up. Nice and smooth. No more stripping gear. Something else I found here, I didn't realize we have adjustable headlights. These things are motorized, you're raise and lower. And you ain't gonna be able to tell here. You can adjust for, I guess, the amount of load you have in the back to aim your headlights right. That's pretty neat. I also installed a USB port this morning. It's power on, which will give you the voltage, and dual USB ports. I like it. And you got the cover down, you still can read it. And nice trunk. It's got just a hat in there right now, and this knob you can take it, remove it, and I will eventually run some LED lights behind here. There's screws, I can remove it. I've done that on my last box I did on the Hawk, so I'll have turn signal and brake lights that I will wire into it. Really nice and secure. Yeah, please like, subscribe, and check out my beautiful Honda ST1300. I love it. Like brand new. Only 20 years old.